Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is February 3rd, and I decided to bring a little Black history to you guys today. Today, I'm going to read this little biography of Garrett Augustus Morgan, and some of you may know him, some of you don't. So, hopefully, you can get a little more acquainted with him by the time this is over. Garrett Augustus Morgan was born on March 4th, 1877, in Paris, Kentucky. He attended elementary school in Kentucky, but he spent most of his time working on his parents' farm. His parents were former slaves. As a teenager, Morgan moved to Cincinnati, Ohio, where he hired a personal tutor and worked different jobs to support himself. In 1895, Morgan moved to Cleveland, Ohio. He took a position as sewing machine repairman. 12 years later, Morgan had accumulated enough money to begin his own sewing machine repair business. Over the next several years, Morgan expanded his business interests to include a tailoring establishment, a personal grooming products company, and also a newspaper, the Cleveland Call. By 1920, Morgan had become a wealthy man with dozens of workers in his employ. Morgan was always interested in inventions. His tailoring business was equipped with machines that he personally designed. During the 1910s and 1920s, Morgan continued to invent new items. Most of these items would improve safety on the streets and in the workplace. Morgan was most famous for patenting the first traffic signal in the United States. Morgan himself, an automobile owner, witnessed a crash between a car and a buggy. This event supposedly convinced the inventor to create the stoplight. On November 20th, 1923, Morgan received his patent. His traffic signal was mounted on a T-shaped pole and had three different types of signals: stop, go, and stop in all directions. The stop in all directions signal was to allow pedestrians to cross the street safely. Morgan eventually patented this device in Canada and Great Britain as well. He sold his patent to General Electric Corporation for $40,000. Morgan also invented numerous other products. In 1916, he patented his version of the gas mask. Morgan demonstrated his superior design with a group of miners who were trapped in a shaft under Lake Erie. He received orders for his product from the fire departments and mine owners across the United States and Europe. The United States Army also utilized a slightly redesigned Morgan gas mask during World War I. In addition to the traffic signal and gas mask, Morgan also invented a zigzag stitching device for manually operated sewing machines. Morgan died August 27th, 1963. I hope you guys were able to learn something. I'm going to try to do this on a day-to-day basis. I might try to finish it out for the whole year. Who knows? If you guys know anyone or you'd like me to highlight someone on this, feel free to leave in the comments, send me a message.